Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to add image for social media preview for different social media platform like Facebook, Instagram or X in Wix website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So when we try to share our Wix website link on any social media platform, so we want to show image on that preview or link. So we are going to add it. So we are in Wix editor. On left side you see pages and menu. So click on it, and then we are in site menu. Now you see multiple pages we have. So when we hover on it, you see three dots. So click on it, and then you see social share. So click on it. Now you see open graph. Tags are used by social media network like Facebook and Pinterest to display text and image. So we are going to add image for social share setting. So click on upload image. Now select any image, or if you want you can upload image, so it's up to you, and then click on add to page. Now you see image edit for social media preview on social, and then you see X, so click on it. If you want you can add image for X also, so it's up to you, and then click on publish. Now you see pop up, your site is published. So when we share our website link on any social media platform, then we are going to display image also. So you can upload image according to your requirement for social media platform like Facebook, X, Instagram. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.